Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Recon in Battlefield 2042. Your primary objective is to provide crucial intelligence and support to your squad from a distance. You'll be using specialized gadgets to spot enemies, designate high-value targets, and maintain situational awareness across the battlefield. Effective recon play involves strategic positioning and constant communication, ensuring your team always has the upper hand with vital information. This role is about precision and foresight. Let's dive into your essential recon gadgets. The SOFLAM is crucial for designating enemy vehicles, allowing your teammates to lock on with guided missiles. Deploy proc sensors to reveal enemy infantry within a 20-meter radius, giving your team an early warning. The TUGS is another excellent motion sensor, detecting foes in a smaller area. Finally, the Recon drone offers an aerial view, perfect for spotting enemies from above and marking them for your squad. Strategic positioning is key to effective recon play. Always seek out high ground to gain clear sight lines across the map, providing you with an advantage for spotting and engaging targets. Maintain a safe distance from the immediate front lines to avoid direct confrontations, allowing you to focus on intelligence gathering. Utilize natural cover and concealment, like rocks or dense foliage, to remain hidden. Remember to relocate often, making it difficult for enemies to pinpoint your position. Your role as recon significantly impacts team success. Continuously spot enemies, providing real-time updates to your teammates on their positions and movements. Use the SOFLAM to designate high-value targets, such as enemy tanks or aircraft, enabling your team to quickly neutralize threats. Provide overwatch, suppressing enemy advances and protecting your allies. Clear communication of enemy locations and intentions to your squad is paramount, turning raw data into actionable intelligence for victory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.